Joy is not the destination. It is to East Gentia Hills, so maybe up to Khliehriat is what we are examining. And this is, of course, after speaking to a lot of stakeholders there. It's very simple. We will go with the people's support in this whole aspect, because it's something that is being done for the people and for the overall development, which we hope people will understand as we move forward. And connectivity is important in today's world. We've been trying to explain this to everybody. Of course, certain organizations have their stand on it. We respect that stand. But my point is that Government of India is not going to wait forever. So already we have received a letter from Government of India to return back the money that was deposited for the Banihat and the Shillong line. So technically, almost speaking, this project will be most probably shut. And I don't think the railway is going to become a possibility in Shillong, because Government of India has asked them for the money back. And most probably, if the support is there and if the positive response comes from East Gentia Hills, then we may be able to go ahead with the project there. And we're also examining if there are any other parts in the region of the state where we'll be able to take up the rail connectivity, along with the, as I said, consensus of the masses, that we will try to move forward.
How much you'll have to refund?
No, money has been lying there. It's not a question of thing. It's for land acquisition, about 300 crores, 270 crores plus minus was there. But more importantly, the allocation for the construction of the railway, for which we would get GST and other revenues. I don't have the exact number with me, but it'll be in thousands of crores, maybe touching even 10,000 crores. So that money will be, that's not with us though. That's of course with the railway ministry. But the money that came to us was for the land acquisition, which of course we'll have to give back.
So is government considering to have a sort of a public hearing to get the actual view of the people, whether they are for or against railway heads? Because as of now, we have seen only few organizations, but few organizations cannot represent the entire voice of the people.
No, we are considering that, and we have in fact talking to people, and we have been having different kind of engagements at different level. But as I said, whatever we could get the sense from the general outreach program and the general discussions that we have had is that there is a large resentment and not a positive point. Yes, there would be some sections that are coming forward, but yes, if there are more people who come forward and express their concerns and ideas, then it does help the cause. More importantly, if there's a much larger debate on this and discussion takes place from the public's point of view, along with different organizations, it'll be a healthy environment. But as I said, at this point in time, all the concerns is something that we would like to address rather than forcefully going ahead with a project like these. So that is what we're trying to do. We're trying to build up the consensus. But as I said, in the process of trying to build up a consensus and move forward, India has thrown this on us and saying that they are asking for the money back.
So will you explore the idea of at least extending the railways in Garhwals? Because certain parts of Garhwals does have railway.
Yes, we can look into it, provided, again, please put the whole news, provided we are able to take everybody on board and we are finding the people and the different organizations. We will take them on board and we will definitely examine it. But I maintain my stand that in whatever decision we take, these are sensitive issues where people are concerned, have got different concerns. So only if we are able to take consensus and take the discussion forward and take our people on board, we will definitely examine this aspect, provided, as I said, we get a consensus.